Hello everyone, welcome to Edu Plus Lecture YouTube channel. So today it's a short video. I'm going to explain you how to compare the ionic radius. So ionic radius, atomic radius, a tackling thing for the students. Often they find difficult to compare the radii of the atom or ion. So today I'm focusing on the ions. So these are the ions they have given in the A-level syllabus. Actually it is from lithium plus to calcium 2 plus they have given in the textbook with the values. So based on that I'm going to say you some few tips how you can remember the ionic radius. First factor you have to remind is, so out of the ions we have given to compare, always you have to remember that anions are larger than cations. Okay, anions are larger than cations. So that's first fact you have to remember. And among the cations you have to remember, okay, among the cations or anions, okay, you have to remember third period ions. Always they are larger than second period ions. That means according to the second point, whether it be positive ions or negative ions, when you take the cations, third period cations are larger than the second period cations. When you take anions also like that, third period anions are greater than second period anions. Okay, the next factor we will get in the ions is the isoelectronic species. Okay, when you get isoelectronic species, that means if you get ions with same number of electrons, okay, then among the anions category, if you take the anion with greater minus charge is having the higher radius. Now for example, let's compare N3 minus and O2 minus, they are isoelectronic. No, then N3 minus and O2 minus, if you compare, N3 minus has greater ionic radius than O2 minus. Okay, so among the anions, if you get isoelectronic species, the anion with more negative charge is becoming the greater radius, becoming the species having the greater ionic radius. Same way if you get cations with isoelectronic species. Now see, sodium plus and magnesium 2 plus are cations with same number of electrons. In cations, the cation with least charge is the having the highest ionic radius. Now when you take Na plus and Mg2 plus, Na plus has the least charge, so it has plus 1 charge. Then it only has the higher radius than Mg2 plus. Okay, so that is the other fact you will get to consider. Third fact you will have to consider is isoelectronic species. Isoelectronic species. So when you get isoelectronic species, that way you can compare separately for cations and anions, but always we have to remember anions are larger than the cations. So these are the set of ions we will get to compare in our syllabus. So I hope this video is finding you useful. So I'm going to share you an interesting news that I have started the 2026 A-level chemistry paper class. So you can drop a comment for more details. Thank you for watching.